Around 3 ba?
Who are my people?
Thank you.
By Marinol.
No, excuse me. Have it at the end. Yeah, it's much better if you start immediately. It's like shock the audience immediately by not saying the title. Just go ahead. You don't even say, if it is a speech, then you will have to acknowledge the audience. But if it is an oratorical piece, start immediately. If it is not a speech, if your piece is a speech, then it's necessary to greet, guys. If it is poem or oration, then you have to start immediately at the first line. Okay, so
Ma'am, what is declamation?
Declamation, start immediately. Do not cite the title. Just cite the title at the end before you go to
Okay. My people. Who are my people? I went to the church where the congregation worship my God. Were they my people? I felt no kinship to them as they knelt there. My people. Where are they? I went to the land where I was born, where men spoke my language. I was a stranger there. My people, my soul cried. Who are my people? Last night in the rain, I met an old man who spoke a language I do not speak, which marked him as one who does not know my God. With apology and a smile he offered me the shelter of his arch umbrella. I met his eyes, and then I knew. Who are my people by Marino?